Hey guys, and welcome back to the HobbyNut channel. I am excited. Got a few things I want to share with you. First up, there was just two things from North Carolina that I didn't get in the last video. I forgot about it. That I want to share with you, but I was just checking my analytics for the channel, and guys, y'all gave me a great Christmas present. Stick around, I'll share it with you. Okay guys, what I forgot to share with you first up about our trek to North Carolina was when we pulled in the parking lot of Wings, Wheels, and Waves, the home of MCW Paints. This was on a trailer in the parking lot. Isn't that cool? Beautiful, kind of a candy apple metallic. This thing had, the depth of the paint was awesome. Lowrider type wheels. I did a walk around video on this thing and got the interior and really up close so you can see the paint, and I'll be sharing that in another video. But really cool, huh? And the other thing we saw was while we were on the way there is, I've only heard about these, I have not seen one, and that is a special edition Chevy Silverado, and as you see here, the Cletus. I've heard about these, and if I could have flagged him down, I would have found out if it was for sale. I mean, such a great addition. But all right, let's get off of that. That was just really cool. I actually really like that. Okay, anyway, I was looking at the analytics tonight, and we're talking, it's about 10:30 on the 12th, and just checked them, and we are at 6K. So guys, I wanted to take a few minutes and just say thank you. This is one of the best Christmas presents you could give Amanda and I. And I say Amanda and I because she's the one that pushed me to do this YouTube thing actually 3 years before I actually started it. This coming March will be 3 years, and it could have been 6 because she was pushing me way back when I was watching other people. She and Lucas C really kind of push to do it, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I did because, guys, so many new friendships, so much love has been shown to us in situations and things that we have faced in our lives. And guys, that's reciprocated. That goes back the other way too. We love you guys, and we appreciate. I mean, I can't believe it was hard for me to believe that I actually made 1,000 subscribers, much less today to get to 6K. I mean, wow. We love and appreciate you, and that's no joke. We really do. Y'all are awesome. You're the reason that we keep going. This is such an encouragement, and we really appreciate it. We did a big giveaway at 5,500, if you remember, and I want to do something a little small for 6,000, and we'll do something bigger down the road. But for 6,000, this is what I want to do. I want to ask a question here, and the first person that gives the correct response, I'm going to let you choose a couple of items, whether it's a coffee mug, a tumbler, t-shirt, sweatshirt, whatever, from our Teespring store, or our Spring store now. And you can find the description for that in the, or the link to that in the description area of the video. But the first person, based on the timestamp and all that on the comments, is who will win. But here's the question. 1 year ago today, on the 12th of December, 1 year passed, what significant event occurred that has to do with this channel? I mean, you don't have to get on Google and try to find out what happened in the world. Just what happened regarding this channel 1 year ago today. First person that gets the comments with the correct answer, I'll get in touch with you, and you can give me your info, and we'll get you set up with the Spring store. Guys, again, thank you so much for your support and everything, the love you've shown us to get us to this 6,000. Guys, super appreciate that more than you know. All right, guys, have an awesome night. Hey, I'm excited. I really am. This is just something, again, I never thought I'd get here. And the continued, and now I'm rambling again, but hey, I don't know what to say. Guys, we do love you. God bless, and we will see you in that next video. Later, guys! And guys, don't forget to head over to HobbyNut Model. Check out Mark's inventory over there. He's got an awesome inventory. Great inventory of not only kits, but tools, paints, you name it. And if you want some of that MCW enamels, be sure to check those out. Absolutely awesome, awesome paint. Show Mark some love. And by the way, remember, till December 31st, he's got a great sale going on. You'll find some great prices over there and a very well-stocked inventory. Okay, guys, have fun.